In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a team member through account settings. To get started, open your account and go to the account settings area. This is usually where you manage the overall setup for your workspace, including users, permissions, and other administrative options. Once you're there, look for the team section. This is where you can view existing members and add new people who need access. When you open the team page, take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace or account, especially if you manage more than one. That helps avoid inviting someone to the wrong place and keeps your setup organized from the beginning. Next, choose the option to invite a new member. This will open the invitation form where you can enter the person's email address. Type in the email carefully and double check it before moving on. A small typo can prevent the invitation from reaching the right person, so it's worth taking an extra second here to make sure everything is accurate. After entering the email address, the next step is to set the permission level for that person. This is an important part of the process because permissions control what the new team member will be able to see or do inside the account. For example, some roles may allow full administrative access, while others may be more limited and only allow access to certain features or areas. As you choose the permission setting, think about what that person actually needs in order to do their job. It's usually best to give the most appropriate level of access rather than the highest level by default. That keeps your account more secure and helps prevent accidental changes to important settings. Once the email is entered and the permission has been selected, review the details one more time. Make sure the address is correct and that the role matches the intended responsibilities. If everything looks good, send the invitation. At that point, the invited person will typically receive an email with instructions to join the team. Depending on the platform, they may need to accept the invitation before they appear as active in your team list. If they don't see the email right away, it can be helpful to ask them to check their spam or junk folder as well. And that's it. By going to account settings, opening team, inviting a member,